Okay, so I just got my machine back from the dealer. Took it on one ride, thought I could feel the same steering issue. I'm no crazy like YouTuber here, so, but I'm gonna try to set my camera up so you can see. This is, see the tire movement? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. That's not normal. Not normal. Things shouldn't do that. That's not normal. And when we go in here, the play is in, it's in the steering box. Move it up and down. So, I investigated. When you steer, exact same as it was before I brought it in, if you steer full over and you steer full back, and I've already did this just for the purpose of the video. I pulled the cover off. And see that white thing there? That's the bushing stop or whatever they're calling it. That's supposed to, look at that. There you go. Put it right back in its place. Right where it's supposed to be. You steer full over, full back. And with that in place, the play in the wheel is almost gone. Look at that. Just like it's supposed to be there. Anyhow, I don't know. I took it in. The dealer said they repaired it as per CF Moto's instructions. I don't know what that means, but I don't see any repair.